Good evening, everyone. My followers, my friends, my family. Welcome. Let's talk about untrained memory, untrained brain, which is a lie. All of these programs, all of these people, they are lying. There is no such thing as an untrained mind or an untrained brain, memory, or anything like that. There is only two types of people in the world. That is those who want and those who don't want. You can remember anything and do anything you put your mind to or you want to remember when you want to remember it. The secret sauce, the secret to all of this is to be honest with yourself. Once you are honest with yourself, you will realize that you can remember anything at any time and you can do anything you want. It's all a matter of do you want to or don't you? Thank you for joining me. See you all next time. Love you all. Bye.